Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide all posts on Reddit step by step. If you want to clean your Reddit profile and hide posts you have created, this tutorial will show you how to manage your posts and keep your profile organized. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Reddit website and sign in to your account. Then, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Profile from the menu. Now go to the Posts tab to view all the posts you have created. To hide a post, click the three dots below the post you want to hide. Then select Hide. Your post will now be removed from your profile view and moved to your Hidden Posts section. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to hide posts on Reddit. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Reddit tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.